Okay. Uh, Good afternoon. So, in this lesson, no, this week, our topic is about web development. No? Uh, so, let's start. So, in this lesson, the learning outcomes are here. Describe the skills, function, and job roles needed for a successful web project development. So, meron tong small scale or large scale, di ba? And for the large scale, kailangan natin ng utilize the stages, no, in the standard system development life cycle. So, identify the other common system development methodologies. Apply the system development life cycle specifically for web development projects. And we will also describe the activities in the conceptualization analysis. So design, production, testing, launch, no? Maintenance, and evaluation stages of the web project. Compare the goals of website to the results as part of the evaluation phase. Siyempre, we need to describe the best practices for website file organization. So later on, I will show you the 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 domain and hosting that I am maintaining. No, I will also feature the recent or ongoing project, no, that I have, no, as of the moment, no. The iba kasi na natapos na or not needed anymore. Then find the right web host provider for your website, no, in case that you want to buy a domain name and a domain hosting. Choose a domain name for your website. Okay, so let's start, no, with the actual topic. Or okay, so skills and function needed for a successful large scale web project. Well, of course, we need the project manager. Okay, so that is needed, no, for that particular project, specifically large scale. Pero kung mga small scale naman, actually sometimes itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no, nagiging tatlo, apat, no. Okay, so it is very important that you know most of these, no. But as my experience, like ngayon, tatlo lang kami, no, kasi small project lang siya. Okay, WordPress project, no? Kaya yung tatlon, yung 10 na yan, 10 ba tama? Tama, 10 na functions pinasa namin into 3, no? Like for example, I'm the project manager, the information architect, the user experience designer. Hindi ako yan. So ano yan, it was part of the, meron akong isang hinire na UX designer, but some of the topic of the UX na natatakal ko rin, ano. And then the marketing representative is not part of my kumbaga meron kaming tinatawag na contract, no. The marketing representative came from that particular organization, no, yung UEAAI nga, no. And then the copywriter and editor, and iba yan. So nag-hire ako ng isang tao dyan to be the copywriter and editor as well as the content of the website. Yan, yung text content of the website. And then, content manager, ako yun. Then, yung graphic designer is also the UX designer. Database administrator, ako yun. And, then, network administrator, basically ako rin. Then, web developer, ako yon. And then, parang sabay namin ginagawa, ano. That's the beauty of the collaboration no aking visual content editor. So, kumbaga, those 10 functions is bali ano no, we do it no with 3 personnel. Ayan. Parang ang ginawa ko, ako yung parang project manager and parang information architect, UX, then content manager, database, network administrator, web developer. So, yun yung function ko. And then, yung isa is part of the UX design. Also, content manager, graphic designer, and web designer. So, isang tao yan. And then, yung isang tao ko, we have the copywriter and editor, tsaka also content ginagawa niya. Okay? So, tatlo yon to develop a small scale web project. Okay? Then, for the skills and function needed for a successful small project, yun yung discuss ko kanina. No? So, then, we also have project staffing. So, paano ako kumukuha ng staff ng aking project? So, finding the right people to work on the project is crucial. So, you need to know some or my advantage is that I'm a teacher and also a freelancer. So, yung mga kilala ko yung mga estudyanteng magagaling. So, one of my staff is my students in Binild, and another staff is parang co-worker ko when I become a research assistant for a big project all over the Philippines, yung tinatawag na Move Up PH. And syempre, work experience, portfolio, formal education. Yan. So, mga small project lang naman ang tinatanggap ko because that is not my cup of tea. Pero pagka dumami na, like for example, maganda tong naging project ko with AI because 2 years to. It's been 2 years na ka-up yung website ko. And yun. And watch out for the portfolio that I will be making. I will also create a portfolio for two of my staff. Yung ngayon. Meron pa akong ibang staff before na nakatrabaho, but sa sobrang busy nila ngayon, wala. Wala sila, not available. So, yun. Outsource all the portion of the project to the web design and development firm. And these are the project roles. So, different from the function. So, and then, yun nga, sabi ko nga, most of those thing is hinati na namin sa tatlo. Kumbaga, tatlo lang kami and then pinarti namin yung mga project job roles nila. Okay, so this is what we call the website development cycle. Siyempre, provided by Pearson or the author. Okay, so first is the conceptualization. Identify opportunities. What I did in that part is that whenever I have a client, talagang nag-i-immersion kami. So, maghapon kami doon, tinitignan lang namin kung ano yung process, ganyan. Di ba? So, basically, hindi lang yung sinasabi ni client ang tinitignan namin, but also our observation. And then, syempre, analysis. So, gathering requirements, design, napag-aralan natin yan sa system analysis and design. Then, production, syempre. Testing after the production. Production can be what we call implementation. And then, after you finish that, testing, launch, maintenance, syempre, fix and enhance site, and syempre evaluation for the next contract. Yeah, for the next contract. So, yeah, so these are the conceptualization thing about the website. So may short term, the long term, yung target audience is very important, no? Like for example, dun sa aking website na ginagawa sa UE, no, let me show you. Ayan, this is the website, no, that I am doing right now. Okay, so that's the website. So the most, I call it the most featured content, no? Then we have this, the article and news or article that you are featuring, no? And then the second most featured content, and syempre the event that is ongoing, ano? Kasi yung most featured content as of the moment, iyan yung event na yan because sa December 10 na yan. So the most featured content can be the featured alumni or the parang community outreach, ano. So pwedeng mapalitan yan, no, every time, no. It's part of the contract, ano. Yan, pwedeng monthly, pwedeng quarterly or semi or yearly na papalitan itong content na yan, no? So then syempre yung hindi nawawala, no, yung registered member, like for example, no. And then yung about, I have here syempre the about the website, no, content, yan, yung mga officers, no, and also the about the website, and under the about, the chapters that the UEAI has, and nilagay ko rito yung give back, parang content, yung donate and a volunteer. So meron din tayong event, I put it upcoming and the previous event, no. Bago lang tong contract na to, that's why wala pa siyang masyadong content, yung importante lang, no. Ito yung pinaka most content namin. Meron kaming gallery, yan. So ito yan, nag-feature kami ng isang artist, di ba, na pwede mong i-click yung about the artist and learn more. Previews yung last year, so pero marami pang previews, no. And nandito rin yung register, no, membership, tsaka yung event or the payment. Yung payment naka-form yan. So eto, upload mo yung receipts, no, and so yan, then submit. Then we also have the post, yung mga news article, no, news archive. So yan. Okay. Then syempre yung pinaka-contact form. So basically, this is a very simple website lang naman, no? And yun. Okay? So conceptualization, yun nga. So I be having a immersion actually, no. So syempre to measure, no, the content, kung magkano ibibigay namin dun sa kontrata, no. Okay, then yung web development, yung analysis space, no, at these are the things that you need to know. Determine the following information topics, yan. If redesign, ibig sabihin may dati na isang website, redesign mo lang, compare the old approach with the new approach, no. So this is 2021, ano. I think this is the new approach, no, for web development. Siyempre, to estimate the cost. Design, site organization, yung web structure, prototype, syempre. Di ba nagpagawa ko sa'yo ng mga design, no, in the previous activities, yung mga layout mo, no, and document each page. So what are the documents that you needed for each page? Di ba? Remember the wireframe, no, that you did, no, last time, di ba? And also, syempre, the production. As of the moment, your production is hard-coded HTML and CSS3. Yan. So, maybe next sa WebSys 2, we will have PHP and WordPress. Yan. Pwede natin pagsamahin yan for WebSys 2. Yun nga lang, yung HTML5 and CSS3, hindi pa siya interactive. Baga, yung forms mo dyan is not functioning pa. Kailangan mo ng PHP script to function that, no? So after the development, we have testing. Okay, so test. Okay, lahat ng browser, tignan, different screen resolutions. Nagkaroon tayo ng topic about media queries, di ba? Para maging responsive siya sa tablets, sa mobile, tsaka sa laptop or desktop, ano? The bandwidths, no? That's why we also have a topic about paano mo paliliitin o yung enough media, no, na or visuals na gagamitin mo, no? And then yung text, wala namang problema, no? And then test from another location. Yan, pwede yan. And then test, no? So we also have type of testing, di ba? So automated testing na pinoprovide ni W3C organization for HTML5 and CSS. Ito yung tinatawag na link checkers and usability testing. No, in some of the topic na tinuturo ko in other schools are usability engineering or usability testing. Pero that's a one topic pa, no, that you need, di ba? Para siyang research, no? Then approval and launch, syempre, pag natapos mo na, you need to show it to the client for their approval, di ba? And then that's it. And after that, syempre, may maintenance, enhancement of site, fix the site, new areas added to site, and so on, no? Okay, but you need to be agile, no? Yan yung latest ngayon, no? It means that the agile means the speed and the constant communication with the client. And if you want to need more information about agile, you can go to agilemanifesto.org. And syempre, evaluation. Okay, so after using it for a quite time, let's say months or years, you need to evaluate, di ba? Okay, and yung file organization, naturuan na kita with mga previous lectures. So mamaya ipapakita ko sa iyo yung file organization that I'm doing doon sa actual web content, no? Web yung domain and hosting, di ba? Okay, so sample, di ba? Domain names. Actually, kung saan ka bibili ng domain hosting tsaka domain names, magkasama na yon, ano? Kung bibili ka ng 1 year, normally, pag 1 year kasi, pagka 1 year, libre na yung domain name, ano? Pero kung hindi, syempre, you have to buy another, ano? So, ginagawa ko lang, punta akong Google and top domain hosting, yan. Top domain hosting sites. Okay, then papakita na sa'yo 10 best domain hosting, yan. So click ka na, parang ganun. So then check mo na isa-isa kung ano yung bagay sa'yo, no? Yan, mga nagamit ko dyan, DreamHost, problema medyo mahal. And Hostinger mura. GoDaddy mura din, pero minsan yung ibang function tinatanggal nila, no? Sorry, hindi pala DreamHost yung ginagamit ko. It's a Bluehost. Ito yung medyo mahal. HostGator, ito yung unang-una na ginamit ko, no? Noong una okay siya, but towards the end medyo pumapangit na. Then wala rito yung gamit ko ngayon, ano? Yung gamit ko ngayon kasi Namecheap eh. Parang yan. So dyan tayo medyo sanay. So I think hindi kasi required sa atin, no, sa inyo na bumili ng hosting. But kung bibili ka, so dito ka po, pwede ka pumunta rito, and then yan, ako shared hosting lang ang binibili ko. Kasi hindi naman big shot yung mga client ko, no? Pero pag big shot yan, lalaking school and security is their issues, sa mga mamahalin ka na pupunta dito sa BPS hosting, dedicated server, o reseller hosting. So medyo mahal yon. So eto pwede na, no? Let's say 2.18 times 12. O yun, meron ka ng domain name if you want like that. Ako, ito ngayon ang binili ko for business kasi to, Stellar Business. Okay. And also pwede kang mamili rito, not yung mga domain name, binibili, no? So punta ka sa domain search, let's say ano ba gusto mo, .net, .org, di ba? So let's say Henry de Guzman. Yan, hindi ko pa nabibili to kasi busy pa ako doon sa isang website ko. So kahit yung domain name lang, and then magsasuggest naman sila. Yan, no, di ba? Yung .com ay medyo mahal for a year. Pag nag-renew ka, 13.98 na. So medyo ka lang din. Etong .org 7, no, mura lang. Pero pag nag-renew ako, 12.98 na. So pwede naman kahit paano. AI and so on. May mga $1 lang. Alam ko dati, ito, tulad nito, .shop. Pero ang problema nito, 1.78 nga lang siya a year. Pero pag nag-renew ka na, dahil nga shop siya, $30 na. Medyo mahal na. Di ba? So, ayan, titignan mo yan, if you want to buy a domain. Okay? Then, okay, so, okay, anyway, na-topic na natin to. So, potential keywords, describe your business, hanap ka. Yung UE, namili ako dun sa aking client before kasi eto uealumni.org, no? Ang naisip ko diyan ueaai.org, no? Ayaw nila, maganda may alumni. So sila yung nasunod syempre. Yun nga lang, medyo mahal. Yeah. Kasi may word na alumni. Alam nila yan kung ano yung pagkakakitaan mo or ano yung hindi, no? Okay, so registering a domain name. Yan. You can go there. At saka yung 10 na yung top 10 kanina na pinakita ko. Okay? And the web hosting. So, pag sinabing web hosting, hindi yan yung web domain name, ano? Yung hosting is where your website will be locating o host. Diba? May server yan, no? And then yung domain name, parang address. Your web address, diba? Yung URL. So meron niyang small to medium, diba? Like yung kanina, saan ko ba yun tinignan? Yan, no? So, ito yung hosting niya. Pagka intro, ito lang. Ito pag WordPress lang. And then actually kung ito dito ka na lang, no, yung kumukuha nito yung hindi marunong mag-program, ano, di ba? Pero itong reseller, ito na yung mga kumikita, pwedeng magbenta ng website o domain name, okay? Ito yung gusto ko kaso konti pa lang yung aking mga ano medyo mas mahal siya, di ba? Nakita mo. Okay. Yung aking mga parokyano ngayon, ano. Okay. Medyo humina eh. Okay. Then uh, actually pinakita ko na sa inyo. Registering a domain, web hosting, but umulit ano. Type of web hosting, yan small. And consider the following daw. Future growth, scalability, may bumibili 3 website lang. Pag sinabing 3 website lang, parang ano lang siya, 3 database. Eh paano kung may 10 client ka? So that's not enough. No. And then operating system, so normally Linux naman ang gamit nila, you know. But it's compatible with the browsers. Type of server-side processing supported, PHP, ASP, no? And the bandwidth, sorry. So the bandwidth of the internet connection that they are offering, both local and national web hosting providers, yan, guaranteed uptime ba? And the technical support. Normally, lahat naman mabilis sa technical support. Okay. Okay, then we yan, dedicated web servers, co-located web server. Yan. And pero dito sa pinakita ko, ano lang siya. Ito yung categorization niya, no? Iba-iba naman sila ng categorizations. Okay, ano ba to? Mga virtual host. Pwede ka mag-email. Actually, madami. You have a lot of things to consider on the website. Nagla-login lang ako sa website ko. No, actually this is my my website. Yan yung website ko. Then parang ito yung file manager. Diba? I have here my actual website, yung baron95.tech. Ito yung uealumni.org. So yan yung mga minamanage ko. Kayo, ang gagawin mo lang, pupunta ka lang ng public HTML and then dyan mo ilalagay yung mga website. And I cannot go further because na ano ng YouTube no? Na ano ng YouTube, ayaw niya ng ganito. No? Okay? Yan. Okay. So let's have the checkpoint. No? Okay, sorry nagkabaligtad Ang nabago ko ng it's 1 to 6, yun na lang gawin mo, no? So that is your activity for today. Wait, ayusin ko lang. Okay, so may checkpoint yan. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And also, you need to finish, no, your iteration 2 supposed to be, no, but you are absent. So that's why madelay ka ng days. Sana if you are free anytime, no, pwede mo ipa-consult yung iteration 1 mo, no, and para makapagpasa ka ng iteration 2. So iteration 1, magko-comment ako lahat na dyan, no, and then yung mga comment ko gagawin mo for iteration 2. Okay, yung iteration 3 will be the final. Hanap tayo ng isang teacher that would comment dyan sa work mo. Okay, so that's it. Let me stop now the sharing, the video. Sorry.